Alright, so welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we're playing Meet Up and Team Up with a new friend. No, so yan. Ayan, syempre kilala nyo na to. Si Doy kasama namin. And yan, the new friend. Si John. Bro, you're nice. Nice shot hat from 3 strokes. Nice to meet you, brother. Wala nang intro-intro kagad, ginulat na. Actually, alam mo, may common friend tayo, si Allen.
Si Allen.
Oo nga, kinuwento, nakita ko sa Instagram. Sabi ko, friends pala kayo ni Allen. Tapos kinuwento na pinadala ko sa kanya. Sabi niya, dito pala siya ngayon. Saan ka ba based, bro?
Sa Ilocos.
Ilocos. Pero Manila ka lang talaga? Sorry, sa Philippines ka lang talaga?
Ireland.
Ireland. Oh, Irish. Mahirap yung accent. So ano tayo? Stroke play na lang tayo. Okay lang?
Okay.
Tapos 100 sa big winner. Tapos 10 pesos stroke play. Ay, Oli. Sayang kasi high-low dapat eh. Kaso yung kasama natin nag-enjoy daw kagabi. Hindi magigising.
May nilalaro pa kayong mga Olympics eh.
Yun, yung pating Olympics. Gagawin natin 10 pesos. Explain ko na lang later para madali. May shoutouts ka ba, bro?
Shout out sa FGSI, yung Filipino Golfer Association sa Ireland, Dublin.
Yan. Sila Conor McGregor. Babalik siya. Alright, good luck, brother. Thank you very much for messaging.
Thanks.
Brother, good luck, good luck. Okay. Starting our meet-up dito sa hole number 10. Oh naman. Na-miss mo? Ayan. Tapos ito, mahigit 1 buwan ko na siyang hindi caddy. Hi! Anong pangalan mo? Ikaw ba yung Wena na tinatawag nila? Yung asweng? Hi, Weng. Ayan, tapos kilala nyo na yan si Meow Meow, si Dodo.
Wala pa din.
Grabe yung second shot ni Doy, dikit. In-Olympian. Nice shot, Doy! Okay, tapos si John is already on the green. Okay, tee shot went left. Little green to work with, left to right. 18 yards. Pwede rin, masaya na tayo dun. Parabol. Okay, John from Ireland. So he is putting for 3 plus 2 points. Si Do is in for 1 point already. Okay, for 2 points, 5 paces firm putt left to right. Nice putt, brother. Good. Okay, so for Olympics, pareha si Doy and si John made 1 point. Ako none yet. Tapos ako lang ang bogey. So we're starting this match. I'm 7 under. Si Doy is 13 under. Tapos si John is 17. So yun yung mga handicap namin here. Yan. So second hole naman, which is hole 11, 295 yards. Ayan, so huge shout out to John for messaging. Thank you very much. Yeah, meet up kami pero hindi kami magti-team up. Meet up and friendly match lang. Naku, kanan, brother. Delix yata. Kaliwa.
Babalik.
Bumalik ba, Dadong? Galing ah. Hala, ganun na naman. Buglag. Safe.
Anong safe, sir?
Safe ba?
Opo.
Okay. Top tit. Bright before the water. Ano ba yun? 215 yards to the flag. Bahala na, going for it. Sakto, bro. Okay, might be in front of the green or on the green. Buti maganda yung contact. Okay. Okay, Doy, second shot. And third, unfortunately, needed to take a drop. Si John lang nasa fairway sa amin. Kanan. John, only one on the fairway. He is left with around 100 yards, 110 yards for a second shot. Ganda. Alright, Doy. To go up and down for his bogey. So roughly around mga 25, inside 30 yards na nanto. Ganda. Bite. Settle. Okay, so putting for 3 points, potentially for birdie. 18 paces, left to right. Tapos, si Doy ang 2. Tama ba? Tapos si John 1, plus 1 for birdie. Plus 1, plus 2.
Plus 1.
Ganito kalaki sa kaliwa to?
Opo.
Hina pa, kakatakot bombahin. Thank you. Guling-guling na niya magbasa. Pag na-absent ka ng isang buwan, gumagaling ka magbasa. Kaso hina eh. Okay, Doy for bogey and for 2 points. Mahina, sayang. Okay, John for birdie. To go 1 under sa round gross. 1 point and birdie. Ay, napaka-big. That's good, brother. Alright, so stroke play. Doy made double. Kami ni John made par. No movement kami sa Olympics. So, headed now to hole number 12. Okay. Wiz is playing 160 yards.
Patong yan. Nice shot.
Layo. Ganda tumalo ni Seth. Ay, Seth. Short. Short nga. Okay, John just a little short. This is to go up and down for par. So may chance siya sa sandy par for Olympics. Oops. Up, 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 up. Okay, John. To go up and down for bogey. Hindi pa siya sanay sa bunker dito sa Navy. Sanay siya sa magandang bunker eh. Olympian ulit.
Oo, sanay sa magandang bunker.
Oo, ganda.
Naglalaro Ireland. Saka sa UK, naglalaro din.
Talaga ba? Okay, so for Olympics, I assume ako na ang 3 points plus 1. Si Doy, Greeny. So most likely 2 na to. 2 plus 2. 1 point na siguro to sa John.
Bagsak.
Okay.
Turn.
Short kasi yung kanina sa 11. Okay, Doy, for 4 points. 2 points sa Olympics. Greeny and birdie. Ganda na speed. That's good, that's good. One point. Okay, good putt. 1 point. So leading si John, 2-1-0. Ay, 2-2 kayo. 2-2-0 ako. Alright, hole number 13. Tapos, par kami dalawa ni Doy. Si John may double. Turn. Ay, kaliwa. Kaliwa lang din. Uy, bangat ako. Oo nga. Okay, walang may magandang tee shot sa amin. John went left sa other fairway sa 14th hole. Si Si Doy nandito sa left. Ako gumulong lang sa harap ni Doy. So lahat kami will make this a 3-shot hole. Play safe. Draw. Ganda na rin yan, brother. Nag-draw. Beauty. Beauty. Good shot, brother. Okay, so for John, second shot. He needs to go... needs to go over these trees to go back to the green. Make it a 3-shot hole. Siguro mga tirang mga 140. Nalusot naman yata niya. Okay, ako naman, need to punch out. Hitting lang ang 9 iron, mga palong 120, no? Buti lang punch draw. Buti lang punch draw. Okay, middle of the fairway. Okay, left with 145 yards for my third shot to go up and down for birdie. Si Doy nasa right side and also si John. Hitting a pitching wedge, play it short.
Bye.
That was a good shot. Pin high. Right side of the green. Right side of the pin. Okay, Doy left with 114 yards. To go up and kaliwa. Patong. Okay, John, third shot. So meron siyang mga puno. Need to evade the trees. Let's see how he will play this. Ganda! Kick right. Tama na. Sobra lang. John to go up and down for bogey. Kailangan sa may fringe lang. Malakas yan. Stop! The Olympian from Ireland. Alright, so for Olympics, Doy putting bird ka? Okay, Doy putting for 3 points and birdie. Si John is putting for 2 points and bogey. Tapos ako for birdie and 1 point. Tama, bogey. Baba. Baba. Wow! Nice! Okay, for 2 points. Yari tayo sa Olympics ah. 4-2. 0. Ito pang 2 points para naman to get on the board. Nice bird. Nice bogey, brother. Good putt. Ma-form masyado. Ay, bogey par pala. Par. Sobrang lakas. Par. Pinakaba mo pa sarili mo. Alright, hole 14. Par kaming dalawa ni Doy. Si John made bogey. Tapos 2 points ulit siya. 4-2-0. Hindi. Oo nga eh. Turn. Okay lang yan. Playable yan. Okay lang yan. Magandang angle yun. Nice shot. Okay, Mr. Raimundo, second shot. Punching out from the trees. Middle. John, tumama sa puno. Bumalik siya sa hole number 13. So he needs to get over the trees ulit to make it a 3-shot hole. Okay, tawid. Buti lang, safe before the bunker. So, course management lang. Try to be on the fairway. Hitting 6 iron. Thank you. Fairway. Gitna. Doy's third shot. Wait, paano akong tubig, please? Ganda. Ay, kaliwa. Okay, John. Third shot. Ito sa shot shape niya. If he can make this slice. Okay. Third shot. 86 yards. Right to left maliit. 75 na siguro. Go! 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 Tas tama na ang gulo ng instructions ko. Thank you, brother. No, oo nga, layo pa ng ginulong. Kala ko go. Stop pala dapat. Little over. Okay, Doy. This is his fourth to go up and down for par, pero he needs to punch out. Ganda. Go! Patong. Nice shot, Doy! On the green. John, the Olympian from Ireland. Potentially for 5 points. Ay, hindi, for par. Ayun na lang. So for putting Olympics, Doy is putting for par and 3 points. Tapos si John is putting for 2 points and par. Ako ito, for birdie and 1 point. So potentially 2. Kaya nga dikit pala, pin high pala. No? Wow, ganda ng putting, brother ah. Yari tayo sa Olympics! Ay! Good putt. Okay, for birdie. 1 cup. Regular. Okay. To go 2 points. Okay, finally. Birdie. 2 points. So, Olympics. John leading 4. Tie kami ni Doy at 2. Tapos si Doy made par. I made birdie. Si John made bogey. Okay, hole 15. 442. Yoy, tama na. Laki lang ng tinern. Okay lang. 3 shot hole. Ay! Laki ng cut. Perfect yan. Perfect. Good shot, brother. Ganda. Okay, Doy. Punching out ulit. Pulled his tee shot. Left. Go. Gulong mo pa. Okay, John. Going for it. With the wood. Taas lang. Ganda. Fairway. Okay, tapang nga tao. Dito daw namin palabasin, sabi ni Wing. Okay, sige, makikinig ako. Para sa... Ay, safe. Pwede ay. Third shot. Around 190 yards pa siguro to. 190. Oh, sounded heavy. Right of the bunker. Third shot, playing 167 yards. Playing it short with a 9 iron. Ay, kabig din, hala ka.
Left.
Grabe yung kabig. Grabe, 2 on pala si John. So he's putting for eagle. Grabe. Okay, Mr. Raimundo. To go up and down for par also. Kulang sa kaliwa. Olympian. Yan yung tira ni John. For eagle. Nice one, brother. Eagle, eagle. Come on. Fourth shot to go up and down for par. Left to right, 28 yards. Behind. Baba! Behind. Patay. Ay, ay, ay. Hirap. Behind. Okay, Doy. Potentially for 4 points for par if he makes it. Tapos 3 plus 1. 4 points. Nice one. Good try. Okay, so Olympics 3 plus 2 si John for eagle. Tapos ako 2 po and par. Si Doy 1 and bogey. Mahina. Mahina, sayang.
Ay, sa dilaylay.
Okay, John for birdie. For 1 point. Ay, sayang. Okay, to avoid going too over. Firm. Bumali. Okay, Doy for 1 point. To go 4-3-2. Para 3 siya. Ay, laylay sobra. Alright, so hole number 15. I made bogey. Doy made double. Si John made par. So no movement sa Olympics. It's still 4-2-2. Leading si John. So hole 16 is playing 107 yards. Go! 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 Sakto lang. Kanan lang. Greeny yan? Sobra. I might be greeny. Okay, John, just outside. Potentially for 5 points. Ay, bumait naman. So for putting Olympics, Doy is putting for 3 points plus 1 for birdie. Ako 2. Ako ang nearest to the pin sa amin ni Doy. So 2 plus 2 if ever birdie and nearest to the pin. Tapos si John is putting for par and 1 point. Good putt. Ay, mahina. Mahina lang ng konti, no? Bumali na. Good putt. Both Doy and I made par. So may extra point ako for being on the green. Tapos si John made bogey. So Olympics namin it's 4-3-2. Leading pa rin si John. Okay, hole 17. Playing 170 yards. Ay, kapit naman.
Right. Stop turning. Okay lang, safe na yan. Okay, before. Okay, John, second shot to go up and down for his par. Taas talaga niyang tumira, no? Galing! Oo. Okay, second shot, 24 yards. Maliit na right to left lang.
Nasa iyo ang beat.
Ang tigas sa'yo, akala ko buti na lang na pinuwersa ko ng konti. Okay, par. 1 point naman na siguro to. Mark?
Binabawi ko pala yung bigay ko. Okay, 1 point par. Okay, so for putting Olympics, Doy is putting for 3 points and 4 par. Si John is also for par and 2 points. I'm in for par and 1. Right to left. Uy! That's good, brother. Alright, so Olympics, tied na kami ni John. 4-4, tapos 2 si Doy. Tapos, they both made bogey, I made par. Okay, hole 18. Last hole sa first 9. Currently, I'm 6 under net. Behind.
I shot. Playing safe lang ito.
Bawal tawirin, brother. Bawal tawirin. Pag tumawid. Okay lang yan. Okay, Doy, second shot. Layo pa to, 240. Okay, tawid. Okay lang. Okay, second shot. Course management lang. Hopefully para nasa fairway. Hitting my 7-iron. Maabot?
Maabot ba?
Maabot. Maabot si John pala. Okay, John, third shot. Diyan lang ng konti. Fairway. Okay, John to go up and down for bogey. Around 80 yards. Ganda yan! Down! Down! Naku, over! Okay, ako naman 70 yards. Left to right. Ako, kulang sa kaliwa. Ay, Olympian! Okay, Doy, to go up and down for 4. Go! Ganda yan, go! Ay, sayang. Oh, shout out si Jong daw, si Jong. Ha, shout out.
Papanood ko rin siya.
Oo, magaling din magbasa yan. Okay, Doy, potentially for 4 points. Mahina yan. Potentially 4 points to go up and down for bogey. Left to right. Mahigit isang grip po yun.
Opo.
Ay, wayong, sayang. Okay, so for Olympics, John is putting for 3 points. Si Doy is for 2. I'm in for bogey and 1 point already. So this is John's 3, 4, 2. Oy! Sayang! Good drive, brother. Okay, Doy for 2 points and bogey. Kuha! Uy! Bumali sa dulo! Okay, John for 7. Good putt. Alright, start of our second 9. Hole number 1. T-shot na si Doy. May makikisama sa amin, manggugulo. Si Junior Kaliksihan. So kami, 5-4-2 ang Olympics namin. Okay, so 7 pareha si Doy at saka si John sa last hole sa first 9. Okay lang, GOR yan. Oo, sa area lang ng GOR. Okay. Playing safe lang with a 7-iron para fairway. Sana.
fairway.
Okay, fairway, gitna. Good decision. Okay, John. Inside 130 yards. To go up and down for birdie. Ganda, John! Hindi. Parang papano, dikit yun.
Dikit yun.
Okay, Doy inside 100 yards. To go up and down for birdie. Go! Nakakast. Nakast eh. Okay, for my third shot. Left with 74 yards to the flag. Sa mga tirang 55, no, Wing? Okay, left to right. Malaki ba sa kaliwa? Dun sa dulo ng bubong? Naku, kanan.
Go.
Hala, short na short pa. Pumatong. What a terrible shot. Sobrang short. Okay, Doy. Potentially for 5 points. Birdie from the outside. Mahina. Okay, putting for birdie. 3 points. 22 paces. Sobrang layo. Tapos si Doy is putting for... Putting ano ka, Doy? Birdie? 2? Par. Si John ang putting birdie and 1 point. Okay.
Ay! Sayang!
Sir, mark mo daw.
Diretso ba ito, eh? Okay, for par end, 2 points. Uy, mahina. That's good, brother. Okay, John for birdie. So, 1 plus 1. Mahina! That's good. Okay, well, number 2. 447. So, par kami dalawa ni John, bogey si Doy. So, Olympics no movement.
Ay, bango! Ah, wala si broccoli ngayon ah.
Ganda.
Good shot, brother. Gitnang-gitna. Play ang broccoli ngayon ah. First time. Turn pa.
Sabi mo may client ka pa.
Sige pa.
May client ka
More.
May client ka pa ng morning. Beauty.
Feeling ko hindi papayag si Doy niyan. Ayaw niya ang palitan partner niya eh. Ikaw,
Ayaw mo siya ng palitan.
Hindi, pwede naman.
Okay, John, second shot. More than 200 yards. Safe mo lang. Okay, safe right before the water. Okay, Doy, second shot. Playing safe. Ay, hindi pala going for it pala. Tatawirin. Okay, good shot. Okay, left with for a second shot. Left with 173 yards to the flag. Better play it short. Front of the flag green is 150.
Ay, too much draw!
Much went inside the bunker. Medyo pull din. Okay, John, third shot. Around 100 yards. To go up and down for par. Go. Good shot, brother. Okay, so for Olympics, I'm putting for Sandy par, 3 plus 1. Si John is putting for par and 2. Doy 1 point. Mahina rin eh. Pasok! Pasok. Nice spot. 1 point. Alright. Yeah. Welcome back. Tagal ko siya hindi nakita. Okay, so stroke play. John and I made bogey. Doy made par. Tapos sa Olympics, it's 5-4-3. 5-4-3, no? Tama sa Oli? 3 ka, Doy?
Ilang points ba dito?
1 na. 5-4-3. Hole number 3. Playing 190 yards.
Ulo. Grainy pa. Patong yan.
Makalalampas.
Ah, good shot, brother.
Kala ko mahuhulin mo na naman, sir eh.
Sayang, hindi nila matatapos. Ay, sumabit pa. Uy, hindi nag-draw. Hindi nag-draw at all.
Ay, went bunker yata. Right side, hindi nag-draw. Ito ng out ni John. Sayang, hindi ko na-videohan. That is for his par from the sand, from the bunker. So ako naman bunker. 25 yards to the flag. John for sandy par, so 3+1. He's currently at 4. Ay, nabitin, sayang. Ako naman putting for 2+1 to go 8. Okay, that was a good par. So I'm now at 8. Si John is at 4. If Doy makes this, this is for birdie. 3 points. So tama, to go 6 points. Nice spot. 3. So 8, 6, 4. Grabe sa akin. Sobrang lapit pala. Sa akin, di pa nahulin 1 yun, ano? Playing 324 yards. Ganda. Gitnang gitna. Nice shot.
Nakakatakot na sa una.
Uy.
4 right sa inyo.
Okay, buti tumama ata ako sa puno. Bumalik sa fairway. 130 yards. Need to go over the trees. Hitting a 50-degree wedge.
Uy, sayang. Dumaan sa butas.
Okay, dikit. Kalahin mo dumikit yun. Okay, okay. Good, good, good. There's a chance for birdie. Beside the pin sa left side. Okay, John. 125. Need to go over the trees. Pero high down siya, pumalo to eh. Ganda, brother. Clear na clear yung puno eh.
Lumampas, no? Pumatong sa grid pero parang lumabas.
Okay, Doy, second shot. Punching out. Ay! Sumabit pa. Tumama. Okay, Doy, third shot. Ay, sayang. Nag-boost. Went over. Nag 4 points. Ganda. Ooh. Good shot, brother. Good try. Okay. John for 4 points. 3+1 for birdie. Ako for 2+1. Ay, sayang. Tapos si Doy 1. That's good, brother.
Nice bird.
Nice. Kala ko mabibitin.
Nananakot ka ba?
Nakailang sa firm.
Okay, this is for 1 point to go 7. Nice spot. So, 7 ka na. 11-7-4. Okay. I made birdie. Si John made par. Si Doy made bogey. Tapos sa Olympics, it's 11-7-4. I'm leading. Doy at 7. John at 4. So, hole number 5. It's playing 113 yards against the fan. Go.
Sobra.
Ganda, Doy! Too much draw lang. Go! Ay, kinapos. Hinangin.
Yun, maganda.
Tiklet.
Alright, so no one made it on the green. I'm on the fringe. Doy is short. John is long. Good out. Hindi ako na bola. Stop. Okay, so for Olympics, I have this spot. Okay, 10 paces. Potentially for 5. Okay, John to go up and down for bogey. Galing! Good shot, brother! Okay, that is for his bogey. Alright, so for Olympics, Doy is putting for 3+1 for sandy par. Tapos si John is putting for 2 points and bogey. Ako 1 point and par. Nice putt. Uy! Nakita na eh. Okay, hole number 6. Par kami dalawa ni Doy. Si John made. Double ka pala dun, John, ano ah? Double. Stop turning. Stop. Stop. Tiklet. Too much early.
Hey, kumanan.
Wala.
Dah.
Alright, left with 170 yards to go over the trees and on the green. So hitting an 8 iron. Hopefully this is enough.
Dom, safe?
Okay, buti lang I'm safe. Medyo mababa. Hindi ko lang alam kung natawid or hindi. Okay, John to punch out. Si Doy already took shot. His second shot ay sumabit. Ayun, okay lang. Okay, so to go up and down for bogey, I have this 37 yards pitch left to right. Si Doy siguro mga 60, around 50 to 60 yards to go up and down for his par. Sobra. Dapat yun yung okay. For bogey, layo. Hey, Mr. Raimundo for 4 points. Par from the outside. Lakas yata. Okay, so for Olympics, mas malayo ako for 3 and for bogey. Si John is for 2 points and par. Si Doy 1 and bogey.
Go! Wala nang pupuntahan. Double.
Par. Ay, sayang. That's good, partner. Ay, naku, napalakas. Alright, headed to hole number 7. So, previous hole, no one made points sa Olympics. Tapos, double kami dalawa ni Doy. Bogey si John. 11-4 sa Ollie. 327 yards for hole number 7. Kulang lang sa distance yata, pero parang 3 line lang naman. Oo, kulang lang ng konti. Okay, fairway. Okay, Doy. Second shot. Around 150 siguro. Ganda ng kuha. Ganda ng tunog. Kanan lang. Wag lang sana gumulong sa bunker sa kanan. Si John nasa punuan. Galing tumira sa taas. Patong pa before the green lang. Okay. Second shot left to 140 yards. Hitting pitching wedge. Hindi namin.
Patong naman.
Ayaw hanginin eh. Palayo sa butas eh. Okay, patong naman. Patong naman pero ayaw. Pinagtatawanan ako nila Tess oh. Yung body language ko daw oh. Hi, shout out kay Tess. Yeah. Hey John. Third shot to go up and down for par. Grabe pati yung around the green ang taas. Good shot. Hey Doy. To go up and down for par. Good shot, Doy. Galing. Okay, so for putting Olympics, I'm putting for birdie and 3 points, so 3 plus 1. Si John is putting for 2 and par. Si Doy is 1 and par. Never short niya eh. Short pa rin ako. Okay na ba yan? Naku! That's good, that's good. Nice putt. Playing 160 yards.
Green.
Cut!
Nahawi.
Gugulong yan. Gulong mo to the green. Sino na yung pamalo ko? May kumuha. Okay, makang patong naman yata kami. Gumulong naman yata to the green. Okay, John. The trees. Galing naman ganun. Galing mo tataas na tira. That is for his par. Doy in the bunker to go up and down for par. Good out! Okay, so Olympics 3 ako. Sino 2? Si Doy? Ah, hindi, si John 2 si Doy. So 3 plus 2 to. Kaliwa. Kulang sa kaliwa. Par! To stay 1 down. Ayaw talaga! Gaganda ng mga putt. Sayang. Pakimark. Ooh. Lakas naman. Alright, last hole. I'm currently on the lead sa stroke play namin, 3 under. Si John is 1 under, John. Bogey ka, no? Bogey. Mapagbigay. Tapos si Doy nag 1 over yata. Tapos Olympics 14-11-4.
Kumanan.
shot.
Yan, perfect yan, brother. Good shot. Good shot, brother. Okay, Doy. Second shot, he needs to punch out. Take his medicine. Okay, good out. Okay, John. Laying up lang course management also with his iron for his second shot. Good shot. Ganda yun. Second shot. Course management din ako. 6 iron.
Nice shot. Ganda. Beauty. Tunog pa lang. Tawa. Tunog pa lang. Ulam na. Ulam.
Mulutong. Ganda rin. Good shot daw. Okay lang, brother. Sumakit kamay mo?
Oo, naglusigli pa.
Okay, John. Third shot. Inside 130 yards. Medyo mababa. Right side. Okay, Mr. Raimundo. Around 120 yards for his fourth shot. 1, 2, 3, 4 to go pin down for par. Olympian. For my third shot, left with 73 yards to the flag. Slightly downwind. Left to right. No? Left to right, ano? Okay, John. To go up and down for par. I go! Nabitin. Okay, John. John. To go up and down for bogey. Okay, Doy. For 4 points. Ganda yan. Uy, sayang. Okay, for bogey. 4 points! Okay na, 1 point. That's good, brother. I have this putt for 3 points plus 1 for birdie. Doy, pating bogey ka ba? And 2 points. Kasi yata, Luigi, kumakap! Birdie pa! Tatlong birdie. Thank you, brother. Kuha. Guys, nice putt, brother. Brother, nice meeting you.
Nice game.
Oo.
Nice game.
Nice meeting you.
Nice game.
Nice meeting you. Dodong. Nice meeting you. Brother, lunch tayo?
Sige.
Okay. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Brother, thank you again. Shout out again to John. Thank you for messaging. Yan. Pinagbigyan kami ni John eh. Leading siya sa Olympics tas hindi na gumalaw after 3 holes eh.
Nagana. Ilang points ako? 13.
13. Ako natapos ako 17. 17, 13, 5. Tapos natapos ako 4 under. Net. Net yun ah, net.
Ganda.
Nice one, Wing. Ang ganda na laro natin ngayon. Na-miss ka daw ng content.
Sayang yung sayang yung baby.
Isang birdie. Yung mas malapit. Ako na yan, apat.
Anong gross?
Nice shot.